There's a first time for everything, and today we're looking at a very slim, sleek and elegant looking dashcam, a 4K dashcam that even offers you an option for a 2.5K rear view camera. Welcome to Dashcam Info, my name is Dirk and today we're looking at the LingDu LD06. I already installed it in the car. I'm going to show you the unboxing, the installation, we're taking a sneak peek at the app, and of course I will show you footage by day and also by night. The first thing I'm taking out of the box is the 2.5K rear view camera that is attached to a very long cable, and of course it is height adjustable. It comes with an extra adhesive patch in case you have to reinstall it somewhere else. This is the only cable that will be connected to our main camera. It combines the rear view camera and the power. Inspector Kiwi checks up on me while I'm showing you a USB to USB Type-C power cable. We get tools and hooks for cable management, the manual, adhesive films for front and rear, and a very nice looking power adapter that has a little bit of a carbon fiber look. An extra adhesive patch for the front camera is also included. Design-wise, this is one of the best looking dashcams that I've ever installed in my car. And it is packed with features. We're talking about built-in GPS sensor, 5 GHz wireless network, active voice control, and the list goes on. On the right side, we do have the USB-C port for the power and also the microSD card slot. A 64 GB microSD card is already inserted. There's a function key on the bottom that we can use to toggle our audio recording, and when we press and hold it for 5 seconds, it would reset our dashcam to its default settings. I pre-installed the adhesive film already on my windshield, and now I press the dashcam against it. The next step was to connect the USB-C adapter cable. Once done, I connected the power and then the rear camera. Don't worry about the angle of the rear camera, you can adjust it later on. All that's left to do is to connect the power cable to the adapter, to plug it in, and now to wait for the confirmation from our dashcam.
Recording started. Wi-Fi is on.
In the Wi-Fi settings of our phone, we're looking for the LingDu network top secret passcode 12345678. As soon as the phone is connected, you can tap on the LingDu app and then on the LD06 to connect it to your camera. And here I realized that I needed to adjust my rear camera. So I enlarged the image on my phone and then I turned the camera downwards until I was happy with the image. You need to stop recording in order to access the settings on the gear wheel top right of your app. All settings here are straightforward, super easy and self-explaining. You can change the resolution, you can change the date and time, turn on or off voice control, and. Of course, you can also access your footage and download it from here. A blue blinking LED light is the confirmation that your camera is up and running and currently recording. And here's some footage by day, front in 4K and the rear camera 1080p. If you say the word video very loud and clear, then your camera would pick up on that and save and secure the current clip and make sure that it can't be overwritten. And here is some night footage, again front in 4K and rear camera in 1080p. I think for the price of the LingDu LD06, we're getting an amazing quality, and I can't wait to hear from you what your thoughts are. Let me know in the comments below, I'll definitely respond. A free way to support my channel would be to leave a like, and if you like my channel overall, please consider to subscribe, it would mean a lot to me. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned, and take care. Bye for now.